of the 39th Cagayan Invitational Basketball Tournament.
And here we go, Coach Cholok.
Let's play ball!
Let's play ball now. As for Rain or Shine, we have Fuller, Nocom, we have Andre Caracot, and of course, Gabe Norwood and Clarito for the Rain or Shine. And for Lasal naman, KQ, Kevin Kiambao started with a three-point shot. The last two painters running. They dump it inside to their big guy, Fuller.
Nice move.
Aaron Fuller, the first two there.
But of course, you have the veterans, itong mga pros, they have to, yun na naman si Kiambao, no?
Yes, Kevin Kiambao once again attack.
Yes, so pride really is at stake here for Rain or Shine. Ayaw pong patalo sa college na basketball.
Definitely. Aaron Fuller once again. Ramiro, gustong tumira, hindi pasok. This time, Adrian Nocom. Nocom, very quick.
Ganda! Palitan dito.
Here comes Adrian Nocom, very smart. Gave it to Gabe Norwood. And
wow, wide open.
Fuller this time. How can they stop this guy?
He has the game to back it up, no? Yung mga antics na. See? Basket is good.
Ayan na naman si CJ Austria.
For an excellent job in coaching players in the PBA over the years.
Yes, nakalusot na naman. Kevin Kiambao, that is his 7th point in the game.
Oh, ganda. Good defense.
Talagang nakikita mo. Walang takot.
Oh, explosive move from Nocom.
Fuller this time. But
grabe tong Fuller, coach.
He's big, wide, and very agile inside.
For ball screens, eh. That is why pinapalabas sila so that they have a better chance in penetrating down low.
Once again, here we go. Aaron Fuller again in green. Adrian Nocom once again.
Spectacular play for
wise. The score is different.
Baliktad, ano?
Yeah, but it's in our live it's totally correct. But there you go. Woo! This guy. Steal na naman. Adrian Nocom, favorite. Mga ganyang galawan. Mahusay.
Really love the energy. It's paying dividends as of now, no?
Yes, Mason Amos drives. A good pass there.
Ganda.
To Raven Cortez.
I guess, no? So, but still, they're putting their head down, still trying to, gusto pa rin humabol, no? They're still working. They're still working hard. Balayo pa to.
Give to their import all of the offensive plays and their import as well. Sharing the ball like that. 1, 2, 3. Austria for 3.
That's a meek response from Austria. Cold-blooded 3. Look at the face.
Yun na naman. How can you stop this guy, Aaron Fuller? Sila Jimmy Mariano, Mardy Montoya, at Kenny Halig. So they are the PBA referees. In fact, kasama pa natin dito si PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall, no? On the sitting beside Coach Miggy Solitaria. Dongo patay! Phillips na naman! At nabuhayan ang sinasabi natin, Coach, no? The Filipino loves and they're entertained with those kind of jams.
Yan. Yun ang matindi, Coach. Napakaganda ng slam ni Phillips.
Yeah, he's a good defender as well.
Yes.
Marasigan Boris for 3. Bang! Good pick, again, second chance points. Kevin Kiambao kontra Dato. Kiambao pull-up jumper.
Oh, the hustle play from Phillips. Basket is good and 1.
Now here comes Escandor. He drives. They gave it to Anton Asistio.
Tinamaan. Basket is good. Wow. Retaliation from Rain or Shine. The adjust. I mean, for him, his level of coaching, this will be unacceptable for him. Giving up 4.
Nabitawan pa.
Grabe to si Phillips, oh. Basket. It does. Papasok talaga, no?
In the championship for the 39 Cadayawan sa Davao Invitational. Keith Datu on the run. Well, good defense, but Gian Mamuyak is there. Shooting. No, here comes Mamuyak for the rain or shine. Early offense. Pasok na naman.
Basket is good for Gian Mamuyak. Out this Aaron Fuller guy, no? Sa outside the paint, like what they're doing now, setting off screens.
Wow.
Yun. That would be easy pay a score kasi walang big guy.
Villena. There you go. Oh! Slam!
Monster jam for Mike Phillips. Good for you, no?
Abadam for 3.
Oh, yes, sir. Ayun na po.
Time.
The crowd ready to erupt there.
Yes, there you go. Gian Mamuya cuts down. A transition. And there you go. Andre Karakot.
Basket is good.
For the DLSU. My bad. Now here comes Andre Karakot. Kili-kili shot.
Strong move from Andre Karakot, no?
Good steal by KQ. Ugana kontra Gian Mamuyak. At pasok pa.
That's a bad angle for Gian Mamuyak.
Mason Amos together, you know, in this ball game. Pero yun na naman, basket count na naman para kay Gian Mamuyak. Last two painters. Now this is Lasal, Matt Rubico. In a rookie. Itong mga players ng Lasal in a collegiate level.
Parang veterano na talaga maglaro, no?
Yes, eto naman, Andre Karakot kicks it out to Mamuyak for threes.
Yes, sir!
1, 2, 3 na naman! Amos for 3.
Yes.
Bang!
Much needed 3 from for De La Salle.
Be better there. Here comes Fuller, basket count.
Yikes. Okay, so
By Gian Clarito. Fuller. Ayan na naman, basket count. On the fast break.
paboritong ginagawa ng ano yan, coach, yung Duke, no? The Euro ball screen. Pati ng Australia.
Nako, Australia code.
Kitang-kita naman. Maganda yung statement early on ni itong si Nokum, and utilizing the power of course Aaron Fuller and forcing De La Salle to miss.
Ramiro, they kick it out to Mason Amos, fires 1, 2, 3.
That's a great decision from
LSU trying to, you know,
mix things up, no?
Yep.
Bilis ng mata mo, coach.
Yep, dito. They gave it to Kuya Jonard, but here we go. Andre Karakot. Abadam. Abadam, pull-up jumper. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I will not be surprised.
Dahan-dahanin lang ng De La Salle ito, then probably they could be
Back in game.
yeah.
Bobelga.
Oh! Flying kiss to the basketball gods.
Pinakita ng rain or shine in the second quarter. They really did well. Coach Cholo, what happened in the first half? Let us talk about the statistics. What went well for the rain or shine Elasto Painters?
Rain or shine has been tremendous in the first half, led by Aaron Fuller with 21 points, 6 rebounds, and 2 assists with 1 steal. Imagine that. So ang daming agaw po, points off turnovers. That is why Rain or Shine is leading this ball game with a huge margin.
Yes, that's 16 turnovers. That's huge for the DLSU. Speaking of that, grabe.
Unfortunately, hindi nga lang pumapasok. But you can see, he is really trying. But now, pumapasok na.
Yes, that's a good attack there by Kevin Kiambao. It was almost a slam. Here comes basket count. Keith Datu. They have 10 seconds winding down in the shot clock. Boris Marasigan, jumper.
Marasigan.
Nilabas na si CJ, no?
Another steal. Yun, Matt Rubico misses that shot.
Dalawang isip siya. That's si Big Bo sa baba.
Dungo.
Oh!
A good shot by Troy Dungo.
I think we mentioned this in the first half, no? Ano pa pwede gagawin ng ng De La Salle? Make Big Bo a scorer. I mean, let him take him the outside.
Yeah.
Challenge.
Two 3-point shot. Dungo and Kiambao.
Oh,
Easy shot.
pamatay sunog yun.
Matt Rubico. He attacks Kit Datu. Here comes Kevin Kiambao. Kuya John Nard yan eh.
Oh, kumagat eh.
Yes.
Try to challenge him to shoot the outside. Yes,
Even
yes.
in his free throws,
True.
right?
Oh.
Boris Marasigan. Yes, sir.
Marasigan.
Lakas nito ni Boris Marasigan, no? Now, CJ Goliena this time. EJ Goliena, rather. Grabe, no?
Wow, you have Boss Roy Villaflor, Madam Ching, Mamu, all the players of MJE.
Is being hassled by Ramiro. Grabe, kinatawan. And you see that,
Very smart play.
that look.
Galing.
Stare down. Cortez.
Raven Cortez.
Kaya ngayon may pangalan na. Cortez. Norwood drives to Keith Tatu. Wow. Rock solid. Etong si Keith Tatu.
That's right.
Mason Amos still silent. No, haven't taken any shots in the fourth quarter. Correct, the third quarter rather. Anton wants to use a series of screens.
Ganda.
Raven Cortez from Liam Ramiro.
Wow, ang here in the third quarter as rain or shine is still up.
Ang instruction ni Coach Topex dito, just cut down the lead. Dahan-dahanin nyo.
Yeah.
Grabe. Pasok na naman.
There you go, misses that shot. Another put back by Mason Amos. There you go, fade away. But Andre Caracot.
Down for Andre Caraco.
Tuloy nyo lang.
They gave it to CJ Austria. Austria drives.
2 points.
DJ Austria.
The poker face. Yeah, definitely Buenaventura. They dump it inside to Mason Amos. Pasok.
Late yung defensive rotation ng Raynor side.
So, I'm pretty sure both teams here.
Good pass there.
Ito si
Timeout. Green Archers.
Lipdon. Here comes Fuller this time.
Bah, ganda. Great finish from Aaron Fuller.
And Gambao on the corner
Oh.
for 3.
Gambao for 3.
KQ not giving up.
Andre Caracot. Fuller once again.
Grabe, muscling his way in.
Fuller.
Wow.
Here comes Fuller. Bilis ng bawi, no?
Aaron Fuller.
Ramiro. Step back, jumper, pasok.
Pasok pa rin.
Ramiro.
Last push for De La Salle.
Their game of basketball, the brand of basketball that we have in UAP or in PBA, that's what we are here for. Yeah? Happy lang po tayo. So it's 116-138. Congratulations to our PBA pros,
138.
the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, for the 39th Kadayawan Sedava Invitational Basketball Tournament champions.